morning, dear students. Welcome you all. Today we will start a new chapter of English grammar. The chapter name is word formation. In this chapter, we will learn here formation of nouns, formation of adjectives, formation of verbs, formation of adverbs, opposites, how to make opposites, and how to make compounds and compound words. So we will learn here to use suffixes and prefixes. Suffixes will be used after the word and prefixes will be used before the word. So we will learn here. So come on the chapter. Formation of nouns. First we will see here verb plus er or or means one who does something. It makes nouns. So teach is a verb, we are adding here er, teacher. Act, we are adding or, actor. Understand? It becomes noun. Verb plus ment, we are adding ment to make a noun. Move plus ment, movement. It becomes noun. Afterward we are coming verb plus ance or enc. So you are getting the word perform, and here we are adding ance, and the second sentence is prefer, we are adding here preference, ence. Understand? Afterward we are coming number D, verb plus al, we are adding al. Arrive plus arrive means we are adding here arrive. So last letter you are getting here e. So afterward you will add al here. Arrival means arrive, we are replacing the word replacing the letter e, and afterward we are adding al, arrival. Verb plus ion, tion, ation, ition, we are using here to make noun. Correct, the word is correct. Afterward the word correct we are adding io and correction. Afterward we are going to form by taking adjective plus yani double s. So good plus yani double s. Good is adjective, by adding yani double s it becomes noun. Happy, happiness, we are adding here I yani double s. In place of y we replace y and include I yani double s. Understand? Dear student, now we will see the further examples of formation of nouns. So adjective plus ty or ity. See the example, cruel, we are adding here ty, certain, certainty, ity. Understand? Next one is formation of adjectives. We will see here formation of adjectives by adding suffixes. What are the suffixes here? Suffixes noun plus al, nation plus al, national, noun plus ful. You are getting the word here care, and afterward we are adding full, careful. The next one noun plus ous. You are getting the word danger, adjective. So noun, the word danger is noun here. Afterward we are adding here ous, dangerous. Understand? Next one is noun plus y. You are getting the word dirt. So adding y, dirty, it becomes adjective. Afterward we are adding noun plus les, means without, care, les. By adding les it becomes adjective. Verb plus able, eat, you are getting the word eat, and we are adding the word able, eatable. Understand? So you are getting the word eatable, means can be done, meaning is can be done. Able means can be done. Able means someone is able to do something. So next one is formation of verbs. First adjective plus izd or ise. So you are getting the word popular is adjective, by adding izde. You are adding the word izde, it becomes formation of verbs. Understand? Adjective plus en, you are adding the word wide, afterward we are adding N, en, widen. Make. Formation of adverbs. Adjective plus ly. You are getting the word bold, and afterward we are including ly. Boldly. Understand? It becomes adverbs. By adding ly, it becomes the adverbs. Understand? Dear student, now see, we will see here some examples how to form opposites. So for making opposites, we are going to add prefixes. Un, unhappy, disadvantage, advantage, opposite of advantage is disadvantage. In, incorrect, ill, illegal, we are adding here il. Understand? Impossible, sorry, immortal, impatient. So you are getting the word I am before m and next I am word before p. Understand? Irregular, IR, we are adding here IR before regular word. Nonsense. Understand? We are adding here prefix non before the word sense. Understand? So in this way we make opposites. Afterward we are coming compounds, making compounds. Hand plus bag is equal to hand bag. Noun and noun. Adjective plus noun. Black board. Black is adjective, board is noun. Verb noun. Place verb, ground is noun. Adverb plus noun. Down, fall adverb. Adverb is down and fall is noun. Verb plus adverb. Fair plus farewell. Understand? So in this way we will form nouns, adjective, adverbs. Understand? So this chapter has been completed. Dear students, now here we will start the new chapter, and the chapter name is words likely to be confused. Here we will get that the words which will be spelled differently, but they will be pronounced in the same way, but the meaning will be different. Understand? So we know that these words are known as homophones. You have heard the name homophones. Dear students, you have heard the name, the word homophones. So homophones are the words which are pronounced same, but the meaning and the spelling will be different. Understand? So we will see the examples. Altar, altar, erased place are erased place on which things are offered to God. Understand? So we are getting the spelling AR here, and another word is ALTER, altar. We pronounce same, but the meaning and the spelling will be different. So these words will be known as homophones. To change, ALTER, alter means to change. Understand? Course. The next word is here course. COARC, course means rough, and another word is COURSC, course, a series, direction. Understand? We are getting spelling different, pronunciation same, and meaning will be different. Meaning and spelling will be different, but pronunciation will be same. Understand? The next word is siege, CEASE, siege means to stop, and the next word is SCIZE, siege means to take something forcibly. Understand? So you are getting the spelling different. BORE, bore, to make one feel tired, and the next one is BOAR, bore, a male pig or wild pig. So I hope that you have understood the chapter, and afterward you will do the exercise yourself by studying the chapter. You will study the chapter, and afterward you will do the exercise yourself. Dear students, now here we will see the next chapter. The chapter name is synonyms and antonyms. So first we will see synonyms. What do you mean by the term synonyms? Synonyms are the words which have the same or nearly the same meaning. Understand? The meaning will be same. And antonyms are the words which have a opposite meaning. Understand? So now we will see the examples. Adequate, sufficient, admire, praise, famous, reputed. Understand? Feeble, weak. Understand? So the meaning will be same. So we will know it. We will know these words, synonyms. Understand? Afterward we are coming antonyms. Antonyms are the words which have a opposite meaning. Accept, refuse, reject. Arrive, depart. Access, shortage, friend, enemy. Understand? Friend, enemy, we can also include the word foe. FOE. So dear student, I hope that you have understood this clearly, and afterward you will do the exercise and you will learn all the synonyms and antonyms by yourselves. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.